This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Claudia Coupet. WYNMOOR is an active 55+ community. The beautiful 1/1/1 unit is located on THE2ND floor next to the laundry room, close to the stairs and a baggage lift/elevator. This gym features a queen-size bedroom set and a small desk in the bedroom, a large walk-in closet. In the living room, relax on a comfortable couch or watch TV on a recliner chairs. The unit has one full bathroom and one half bath, a long patio with a lounge chair and other sitting area. This great condo is fully furnished and ready to move in. Just bring your toothbrush and your personal items. Welcome home. For more information, review the details below or contact Claudia Coupet at 954-874-2670.